Hello again, my friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this mask and snorkel combination here. So, if you're like me, can't really swim without these. So my issue is I try to swim and water just goes up my nose and it's no fun. So I learned to use these, or I actually just use these to swim with. And also my eyes are really sensitive, so I can't really open my eyes underwater. Some people just open their eyes and swim underwater like it's nothing. I can't do that, and I can't somehow. I tried, just blow out of your nose, and supposedly the water won't go in there. It never worked for me. I always had to wear a mask. So with that being said, here we have a nice little mask right here. Looking at this adjustable strap here. Well, that's cool. You just tighten it down. Or how if I want to make it smaller. Probably pull them both in there. Okay. Okay, well that's cool. So you just want to loosen these up or tighten it. You just press these little buttons, these little tabs on the side, and you can pull it down and that stays locked in place. So that's super easy. The lenses are supposed to be like fog resistant, so that's nice. It's not cool to like, if you're like, swimming around and your goggles fog up or whatever. This has a double split in the back for more comfort and stuff on your head. This should be nice. Feels like a nice soft material here. Should seal, make a nice seal around my face. Yeah, I'm gonna try this on here. And okay, so feels pretty comfortable. There's no like hard pieces that are poking me or anything. And then I think I could just, I could just pull right here and tighten these up. So this looks like it's going to be pretty cool. I'm actually going to be going swimming pretty soon in the river, and these are going to be nice. I had a full face mask one, but it was a little scary. I had the snorkel like kind of built into it. I was a little afraid to like go underwater because just like the fear of like maybe the water is going to come in there and I'm not going to be able to take the mask off or whatever. So that fits nicely. No hard pokey things like stabbing, not uncomfortable. So this also comes with a snorkel here. And snorkels are real nice. Swimming on top of the water and just looking down. Out of the bag. Good golly, get out of there. Okay. So this one's here has a little area here. You can breathe out the water. Should go out of there with these little different things. So this adjusts up and down on the snorkel depending on where you want to attach your attach it on the mask. It has this little clip right on here, so it's going to go something like this right over that and clip on there. Actually, that's really comfortable. I'm going to have to give this a shot. So this has a little plug here. So when you do go underwater, this is supposed to float up and block this so no water can actually get in there when you go underwater. So that's kind of neat. I like the snorkel idea as far as it just being really cool. The river I swim in, the water's super clear. I can see all the way to the bottom. 30 feet down or maybe more, and see the fish down in there and stuff like that if there are any. So it's nice to just be able to swim along and just look down in there. And like I said, my pretty sensitive, so my eyes and stuff, so I can't do that without a mask. But so that's going to go on there like that. Adjust that like that. It'll just go for a nice little swim. So we'll be testing this out soon. Make a video of that to show you guys. Obviously, that's just going to be on this is tempered glass in there, or maybe some kind of polycarbonate. And last but not least, it comes with this little bag here, so you can throw everything in the bag and keep it all nice and handy with that. So just kind of wrap it up in here and make it easy to carry and take along with you. So let's go test it out, my friends. I just want to show you guys the bag there real quick. So it does have this plastic part on the outside, but on the back side, it has a nice mesh here. So if it is wet, you just put this out in the sun or whatever, and it's gonna be able, the water's gonna be evaporate. I like that. It's not a solid plastic bag. So if you just put your stuff in there, it's gonna get all moldy because it's not gonna be able to air dry out. Has this nice Velcro here, and the top that closes up just like that. And then it has a little adjustable strap on the back too. So that's pretty cool. A little something extra there they didn't have to do, but it's a nice little carry bag. All right, let's go. All right, my friends, well, this worked pretty good. Actually, underwater, the seal was nice. No water getting in the mask. It fogged up a little bit, but that's pretty hard to avoid. I could still see just fine. And as far as the snorkel, I was really impressed. I was able to just swim along the top, and when I went underwater, this worked as designed. It blocked the water, didn't fill up with water. I was a little hesitant to do that because I thought, man, what if it just fills up with water and gets all in my mouth when I try to breathe or whatever. But yeah, it worked really well. All in all, pretty happy with it. Like I said, I can't swim without a mask on, and this was definitely nice. A good seal on there and worked well. I could see like underwater all the stuff there. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.